cars they're fighting. Motorbike and a car.
So this is muted because of a phone conversation going on. Don't worry, it is Bluetooth via the car. But we're looking at this kind of blacky grey car on the left here, just joining. Now they're joining at a kind of awkward sort of place, but I can accommodate just by slowing down a little bit just to let them in and slipping between the two cars. But you may have noticed also there's a car, a white one, just sitting in lane 2 for no reason. But it's this which I have a problem with here, where the grey car now goes into lane 2 for no reason. So they're all just sitting in lane 2 with lane 1 empty.
God, why? Everyone's just moved into the second lane for no reason. It's like, what the hell? I've literally just undertaken them now because I stayed in the first lane. What? Crazy.
There's two different drivers in this world. There's drivers like me who get into that lane, which we need with enough time, absolutely plenty of time to do, i.e. this lane 1 for the next exit. And then there's drivers like this second grey car in lane 2, who, even though there's a nice big gap, have to squeeze in at the last minute to get their exit. Madness, these drivers, the musket in fronters of the world.
Good exit from lane 2 there.
There's quite a lot going on in this clip, but you're looking at the silver Mercedes behind, which just appears now. They can't wait behind me and this other black car, so they go into lane 1, get blocked by the car exiting. In the meantime, we've got this white car on our left, in the front view camera at the top there. They decide that they are going to cut across and be in this lane, so they also wanted this lane. In the meantime, the Mercedes behind decides that they want lane 2 again, which you can see there, but they get held up by the crossing, and then they decide that because me and this black car are sitting here, they now want lane 1.
That is just fucking stupid.
So that Mercedes decides to go right from the left-hand lane, which is stupid. And then obviously here I go into the correct lane to take the exit, but the other two cars stick in that right-hand lane. We are just sitting at traffic lights, and guess what? We see a BMW coming down the second lane. I wonder, do they actually want that second lane to turn right at the next roundabout? Or do you think they're going to go straight over in the wrong lane or cut across all the lanes? Place your bets.
You're just gonna cut across like that, mate. Oh my god. You see that car? It's cut from that third lane over. They just wanted to do that.
This way is confusing though, isn't it? This area.
No, but that wasn't confusing, that was a bigger ditch.
No.
Watch this van coming up on the second lane here. Where do you think they're going to go? If you guessed cutting into that gap behind me, you're correct.
You're going to try and get ahead of a bird.
Well, no, otherwise I'm blocking up that exit. And you can go in this lane for the exit. Just be better if the Volvo went.
I must apologise for the footage here with the zoom. It goes very blurry when you zoom in, especially to the amount that we have to in order to follow these two Muppets here.
Oh, I mean, there's a bit of aggro between them up there.
Yeah. Because he cut in front of him, didn't he?
Yeah. I want this exit, can you not?
Oh no!
Oh, proper Aggie.
Good for him though.
I bet you the BMW driver just carries on driving like a dickhead though.
Yeah, he's already like pulling over.
Whoa, ho, ho, ho.
Oh.
Fucking hell.
And he flashes them after he done that to us. But she didn't signal or anything.
Well, the lorry went in really late. Go, 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 go. I don't want to stop. And of course you're in the wrong lane. Yeah, it's fine, just pour across, that's fine. Completely my fault from that, you're in the wrong lane then.
But his lane in that one said M25.
Yeah, well, why is he moving over?
There's a right mess as we go into this junction here, this roundabout, as this car here decides to undertake one which is going slowly and indicating off. And we need to get across all the lanes now. But we were a bit delayed by the idiot who had to undertake while exiting the roundabout. It's a bit hard to tell in this clip, to be fair.
Oh my god. Thanks. Yeah, now you're giving the other person who wasn't in the right lane a chance to come in front. Well, the who was in the right lane gets screwed up. Fucking hell. That smoke. Also, how the hell is this back to 50 miles an hour here? Come on.
Same stretch of road, but looking backwards this time, we've got this car in lane 4 at the moment. They are then slowly moving to lane 3, and eventually they make their way over to lane 1. Now this road splits in two, so you can see where the hazard lines are. Two of them go or continue onto the A13 towards the A130, etc, etc, and the other two kind of go off somewhere else. I don't really know, but yeah, so you can see they've now moved to lane 1, and we've got our cones bringing us down to 1 lane in this one, but they leave it until literally the last second to move back over. I can only imagine that they didn't quite know where to go. Otherwise there's no other explanation. As you can see, they only just make it.
How did that person exit?